Hey guys, Anthony here again, and want to just quickly clarify that the last um, training video I went over, I mentioned we're going to go to my report section next. That's actually going to be the following training video after this one because I need to kind of keep things in order, so to speak, in the three-pack estimation tool. I want to explain that usage of that button. So if you're looking for my reports, training, that's going to be the following one. In the meantime, let's go over the three-pack estimation tool. So that's where we're at right now. We're going to use, again, our Chicago personal injury lawyer keyword, and again, it's capitalized if you're using this for us for client or prospecting purposes. If you're not, there's no reason necessary to. You can do it whatever way you want. So we'll go ahead and use that keyword. We're going to click on three-pack estimation tool. And the thing is, with the three-pack estimation tool, it's pretty much the same thing that you have going on with the SEO ROI estimation tool. The biggest difference is there's only 3 rankings in three-pack, hence the three-pack. And so, I'm not going to spend much time on all this. If you want to go through all these items in detail, you've already probably watched the SEO ROI calculation estimation tool video. It's pretty much the same thing. We'll point out one other thing here in a second. So, of course, you put if it's a client, use either their name, ABC law firm or whatever. If it's not, if it's just for your own project purposes, you can put whatever keyword you want here, a project name. So we're just going to use a keyword here and put demo. I don't know. Let's just call it 99 just to differentiate it. And then we have average monthly search volume and the average CPC, of course. Again, Serpinatr automatically pull those in through the third-party API system that we're using that pulls us in actually from Google. And so we're going to keep those numbers the same. Again, we're going to fill out, and if you want to change these manually, you can if you want. We're just to anything you want, but we're going to go ahead and leave them the same. Like I said, go back over the SEO ROI estimation tool training. It's pretty much the same thing that you're filling in here. Your client's average lifetime value per customer. We set in that I believe $50,000. Pretty good number for a personal injury lawyer. It's probably low actually per file. So percent monthly clicks convert to leads. That's how many folks who come to the site that actually opt in, provide email, and or call, make the phone call. That's what we're talking about with the leads. So we're going to say 20% here, and then percent of monthly leads converted to customers. Those are actual new business. So how many new prospects converted into clients, that type of thing. So we're going to go ahead and put 20% here again. And then, of course, if you're doing this for SEO purposes, you're going to put your SEO figure in here. And we'll use $5,000. Again, as I said for a ninja tip, if you're doing this for local marketing purposes, don't put in the amount you want to make. You want to give yourself some room for negotiation. Perhaps you want to make 5,000, say 6,000, 6,500, whatever. Here again, your custom call to action, whatever you want to put in here. Call me today at 555. And then here you optionally can put your logo. Here's another place you can put a logo, but we'll go ahead and grab a logo for the time being. Let me grab anything I can just find here real quick. I guess we'll use this one here. And then disclaimer. Now the disclaimer is we're going to put a legal disclaimer. And we don't provide that language for you because your jurisdiction might require something. Best thing to do is consult with your local attorney to see if there's anything special. This is an estimation tool only. So, it doesn't provide exact numbers. There's no guarantee, estimation only, no guarantees of results. Maybe zero, maybe no results. So this is an actual disclaimer you want to write, but I'm just telling you for purposes, when you're thinking about your legal disclaimer, make sure you put something in there that it fits in with your jurisdiction, or you can look online and see if you can find some general language. We just don't want to provide something specific everybody needs to use and find out in some jurisdiction later on it doesn't work. We're not going to be liable for people putting anything in there. So we just provide the box for you to determine what you want to put in there. After we input all the information, go ahead and click the three-pack estimation tool button, and you can see just like that, we've got the estimates. Now, pretty much the same thing we've got going on here. You can see we've got the logo here, and that's stretched like that. It's the way the logo is designed. It's nothing to do with Serpinatr. That's just the way it's formatted, the JPEG file there. So anyway, just like the other reports that are generated, you don't want to use this for a client or prospect because they're not going to want to print out the black background. Plus, this gives actually more information than the actual PDF report. It's information that you want to have, not necessarily that the client or prospect actually needs all this. And this just gives you down and dirty, make sure you know everything makes sense, you inputted the right information, and you have your assumptions up at the top here. And then after that, we've got the estimation for the top 3 positions, which are the 3-pack. So very similar to the other reports, except instead of 10 rankings, there are 3. And so it provides all the important data once again. And so I'm not going to repeat all this because you've already watched the other video. It's exactly the same information. It's being calculated out here, except for 3-pack format. So go over the SEO ROI estimation tool training. It's going to give you all that. Otherwise, you can read through it and it makes all the sense you need to make. And I also have another video where I talk more about the actual PDF report, and we'll give you a little bit more detail on this as opposed to going by line item and boring you to death more than one time. So with that, there's these buttons down here. You don't necessarily want to use any of them, but if you did click generate PDF report, it will create a PDF, which is great, but we get a better area for you to do it because you can get more branding in there. You can get your name, your address, your email address, phone number, all that stuff into the report. So this is just something you might want to use yourself. So we provide it if you want to print it out for any reason. So with that said, we're going to end this video. And in the next video, we will be talking about the My Reports tab. So with that, thanks a lot for checking out this training video, and we'll see you in the next one.